Thank you, dear teachers, for your melodious song. Now, I invite Sarah Simdatta on the stage to share a few words about Children's Day.
Respected Brother Principal, Reverend brothers, sisters, distinguished member of staffs, my dearest and beloved students, today I am going to deliver Children's Day speech on behalf of Teachers Forum. A warm good morning, all of you. We are all very glad and gathered here to celebrate Children's Day. Children's Day is celebrated in India every year with great enthusiasm on 14th November. It is also known as Bal Divas. It is celebrated by the teachers in schools and colleges with great passion and excitement. It is the birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of independent India. The children loved and respected him dearly and called him Chacha Nehru. He used to play many games and sports with the children. Therefore, as a respect to this lover of children, the nation started the custom of celebrating his birth anniversary as Children's Day. Children are considered as the building blocks of strong nations. They have capability to change the nation positively. They are responsible citizens of the country. Nehru believed that the strength of a country is its children who help to develop our country through their new ideas and innovative thoughts. We cannot ignore their involvement and contribution in the life of parents and teachers. They are blessed by God and win our hearts with their nice eyes and innocent smiles. Children's Day is celebrated every year to pay tribute to all the children all over the world. Before I conclude, I would like to say one famous quote by Chacha Nehru. The children of today will make India of tomorrow. The way we bring them up will determine the future of country. নেহেরু বলেছিলেন, আজকের শিশুরা আগামী দিনের ভবিষ্যৎ ও দেশে নাগরিক এবং তারাই দেশ তৈরি করবে। এইভাবে দেশের ভবিষ্যৎ নির্ধারণ করতে আমরা আমাদের সন্তানদের যত্নবান হব এবং তাদের যত্ন নেব। I conclude by conveying my warm wish on Children's Day. Let us celebrate the day with happiness and enjoy the gift of childhood. So let us collaborate to perform our responsibility of making a beautiful society and a better nation. Thank you everyone for giving your precious time and hearing my speech. Once again, I would also like to wish all of you a very happy Children's Day. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, sir. Music with rhythms makes pleasant environment around and it suits the heart and soul. Now I invite Sir Barkis and his group to display instrumental music show.
you, dear teachers, for your beautiful musical sound. Dancing can reveal all the mystery that music conceals. Dance till the stars come down from the rafters. Dance, dance, dance till you drop. Now I call upon the gents teachers for their rhythmic and beautiful steps.
बुता मुसिल खरीदी गोरन बिन बैन खरीदी dangerous oh very dangerous I will not stay खरीदी on thai बिन हाय खरीदी dangerous oh very dangerous उन्हें बोले सिकला रोम थंगा लो सिनी नदी अंगों खाती का सबो मुसिल खरीदी गोरन बिन बैन खरीदी dangerous oh very dangerous I will not strike खरीदी om thai bin hai खरीदी dangerous oh very dangerous
झटका जरा सा महसूस हुआ एक लाइफ की गाड़ी ने कस के मारा ब्रेक हो रहा है क्यों कंफ्यूज मेरे दिल मशवरा मेरा तू आजमा के देख यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक 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 बेटा चल मसल फुलाना थोड़ी बॉडी बनाना तेरे चिकने गालों पे स्टबल की फसल उगाना अरे रे रे ओबे चल बेटा शुरू हो जा गुरु बगल उठा के थोड़ा डियो लगाना किसी बगल वाली को मर्दानी खुशबू सुनाना
Thank you, dear teachers, for your blissful move. Now, may I invite Brother Principal to deliver his message to us.
As we have gathered here for the Children's Day celebrations 2020, I want to greet all of you a very happy Children's Day. Today is also Diwali, the festival of light, and my special greetings of Diwali to all you, dear parents and students. Respected Brother Vice Principal, Brother Kurian, coordinators, Mr. Joydev and Ms. Meera, and all the members of the staff, and you, my dear students. The Children's Day 2020 is very unique, as we are celebrating this for the first time without any students in the school. This year, the parents' role as teachers have increased, and we hope your parents will make this day very special for each one of you. In every school, different days are celebrated, like Teachers' Day, Parents' Day, Annual Day, Sports Day, etc. Among all these festivities, the Children's Day is the most important one in our school. This year, your teachers have taken more trouble to present this grand Children's Day program. I hope you have enjoyed the many items that were presented with so much love to reach you to your homes. My appreciation to all the teachers, my appreciation to the teachers who performed, the technicians, Sir Barkish and Sir Sudaranjan, and all the organizers, who took much trouble to prepare this program. At present, the world is going through a transition. The transition is very painful, as many misfortunes have taken place during the past 8 months and more. The COVID-19 pandemic has changed the way we live, the way we travel, the way we interact with one another, the way schooling is organized. Lakhs of people lost their jobs and livelihood. Death took place in a massive scale. We, the Montfort family, experienced one of the worst years when we count the deceased members of our families. More than 45 close family members died during the past few months. We are also saddened by the death of 2 of our beloved students, Thierry Tripura of Class 1B and Elena Debarma of Science Stream, who passed in first division in the Class 12 board examination. The humans are on a massive transition process. What will be the outcome of this transition? What are the skills required to overcome such emergencies? Who will win and who will lose? Are you all prepared to be winners in this situation? 7 months of our classes were conducted online. The schools were empty of students, and the teachers had to speak to a digital instrument. But we did try to reach out to you through online classes and several other programs. Having costly mobiles does not give you all the knowledge unless you learn to use it responsibly. Studying in a good school does not make you good unless you follow the good traditions of the school. Having a library does not make you learned unless you read the books and gain knowledge. Success in education is more associated with scoring marks than learning skills for a happy living. Dear students, prepare yourselves for a future that is different from what you experience today. It is not your intelligence that matters, but consistent hard work. It is not individual performance that matters, but teamwork. We have an inclusive setup in our school where children who are differently able study along with regular students. Our vision is that every child is empowered to discover and develop his or her God-given potential and grow into a holistic person to serve the humanity. Montfort School provides holistic, inclusive education that caters to physical, intellectual, psychological, and spiritual formation of the student, irrespective of the varied culture or economic background they come from. On this Children's Day, I invite you to be a true Montfortian, following the great traditions of the school and become citizens who will contribute positively to the betterment of the society. May God bless us all. Thank you.
Thank you, brother. Phaidi, jeng tabuk kaisa tong thotok nai thotok program nai layana. Jeng oron nok nai, chini rung nok ni phurung nai rok, kebo ba kai tongo, kebo ba kablai tongo, kebo tobla tam layana, kebo ba bashi tam layana, tai khorong nei phurung nai rok kheba kaijak lai bo tong mani nok layana. Obo norong no ang koijawo norok chajagya rok phano ngi tongkheba nakardi nai thokjagei tongkheba yafa khorob laye jotono o program no khabai khukbai nailai jadi hene hambai
शहनाइयों की सदा कह रही है खुशी की मुबारक घड़ी आ गई है सजी सुर्ख जोड़े में चांद सी दुल्हन ज़मीं पे फलक से परी आ गई है सेहरा सुहाना लगता है, दूल्हे का सेहरा सुहाना लगता है, दुल्हन का तो दिल दीवाना लगता है, दूल्हे का सेहरा सुहाना लगता है, दुल्हन का तो दिल दीवाना लगता है। पल भर में कैसे बदलते हैं रिश्ते, पल भर में कैसे बदलते हैं रिश्ते, अब तो हर अपना बेगाना लगता है, दूल्हे का सेहरा सुहाना लगता है, दुल्हन का तो दिल दीवाना लगता है। फेरों से बंधा जन्मों का ये बंधन, प्यार से जोड़ा है रब ने प्रीत का दामन, सात फेरों से बंधा जन्मों का ये बंधन, प्यार से जोड़ा है रब ने प्रीत का दामन, है नई रस्में नई कस्में नई उलझन, होंठ है खामोश लेकिन कह रही धड़कन, धड़कन 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 मेरी धड़कन धड़कन तेरी धड़कन 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 मेरी धड़कन मेरी धड़कन। मुश्किल अश्कों को छुपाना लगता है, मुश्किल अश्कों को छुपाना लगता है, दुल्हन का तो दिल दीवाना लगता है, पल भर में कैसे बदलते हैं रिश्ते, अब तो हर अपना बेगाना लगता है, दूल्हे का सेहरा सुहाना लगता है, दुल्हन का तो दिल दीवाना लगता है, दूल्हे का सेहरा सुहाना लगता है, दुल्हन का तो दिल दीवाना लगता है। झूले में पली बाबुल, जा रही हूँ छोड़ के तेरी गली बाबुल, मैं तेरी बाहों के झूले में पली बाबुल, मैं तेरी बाहों के झूले में पली बाबुल, मैं तेरी बाहों के झूले में पली बाबुल, जा रही हूँ छोड़ के तेरी गली बाबुल, खूबसूरत ये जमाने याद आएंगे, चाह के भी हम तुम्हें ना भूल पाएंगे, मुश्किल 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 दामन को छुड़ाना लगता है, दुल्हन का तो दिल दीवाना लगता है, मुश्किल दामन को छुड़ाना लगता है, दुल्हन का तो दिल दीवाना लगता है, पल भर में कैसे बदलते हैं रिश्ते, अब तो हर अपना बेगाना लगता है, दूल्हे का सेहरा सुहाना लगता है, दुल्हन का तो दिल दीवाना लगता है, दूल्हे का सेहरा सुहाना लगता है। दुल्हन का तो दिल दीवाना लगता है, दूल्हे का सेहरा सुहाना लगता है। दुल्हन का तो दिल दीवाना लगता है, दूल्हे का सेहरा सुहाना लगता है। दुल्हन का तो दिल दीवाना लगता है, दूल्हे का सेहरा सुहाना लगता है। दुल्हन का तो दिल दीवाना लगता है, दूल्हे का सेहरा सुहाना लगता है। दुल्हन का तो दिल दीवाना लगता है। धड़कन 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 धड़कन।
Dance makes feet move with a beat, and it radiates smiles to every face around. We have our teachers with a blissful move to make your day special. Now, I request Sar Jadurai and his group for their rhythmic steps.
पाए तुई हारी नाय कहाँ नाय थोमा नीनी बाबे पाए तुई हारी नाय कहाँ नाय थोमा लानिम चिंखे बाती नी हरो मालाई दी लानिम चिंखे बाती नी हरो मालाई दी
आता गो फिता शादी हिल्लिता चुंगी आता गो फिता शादी हिल्लिता चुंगी
दे मा सहंग न फायदी बेंग न ता शादी दे मा सहंग न फायदी बेंग न ता शादी दी konfiako Katrina denke Angpa konfiako Salman bagake Bara mahina में बड़ा तरीके से प्यार बताऊंगा रे बड़ा महीने में बड़ा तरीके से प्यार बताऊंगा रे
आता बगला नदी कथैया आता बगला नदी कथैया छनी क्लब दे पचो अनिले देफा छनी क्लब दे पचो अनिले देफा
Onung bai mamla khalai ni nangya nale nosi Khamye thui panai gana ke bai mose laisi O bara mahina mein bara tarike se pyar बताऊंगा रे bara mahina mein bara tarike se pyar बताऊंगा रे
It was amazing. Wow, what energy I can see in your faces. All enjoyed the dance. Thank you, Sir Jadurai and his team. Last but not the least, I invite Madam Mira to come forward to deliver her words of gratitude.
Respected Brother Principal, brothers, sisters, teachers, and you all, my dear students, a very good afternoon to you all. I feel honored and privileged to get an opportunity to be standing here to propose the vote of thanks on this year Children's Day celebration 2020. As we know, children are the future of a country. The very growth of children decides the future of this country. Every child should remember that they are the foundation of the country. So, they should make their life disciplined, clean, productive, and full of ambition. Children become the happiness of the society and home, as well as future of the country. In our life, we may have many pains and sorrows. Let us forget them. On this Diwali, let us bring joy and happiness in our life. On this note, I would like to extend special thanks to our dear brother, principal, brothers, sisters, and all the staff members for making this day a memorable day for us in this pandemic COVID-19. I would like to extend special thanks to all the participants for making this program a colorful. I would also like to thank all the sound technicians and videographers for making it successful. I would also like to thank all the office staffs for their full supports. Last but not the least, I would like to extend special thanks to all the people who are watching this program and for your full support. So, thank you one and all, and I wish you all a great day ahead and wish you a very happy Diwali and prosperous Diwali. Thank you very much. Thank you one and all. Thank you. As we approach to the end of the cultural event, may I request all the teachers to come on the stage for the national anthem. Jana Mana Adinayaka Jaya He Bharat Bhagya Vidhata Punjab Sindh Gujarat Maratha Dravida Utkal Banga Vindhya Himachal Yamuna Ganga Uchchal Jaladhi Taranga Tav Shubha Name Jage Tav Shubha Thank you one and all. Have a nice day. wish you a very happy Children's Day and happy Diwali.